I'm Arthur with CBI Off-Road, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a install on our new multi-mount. It's compatible with all of our swing arms. Here's what's included with the kit. You're gonna get the multi-mount, you're gonna get these two little brackets, and you're gonna get the hardware, which is 6 nuts and bolts. So for the install today, we're gonna need a 1/2-inch wrench, a 1/2-inch socket, 7/16 wrench. We're also gonna need an 11/16 socket and a universal wrench. So the easiest way to do this install is to get everything that you want as far as brackets, so it's gonna hold everything you want, installed onto the multi-mount before you put it on the swing arm. So today we're gonna, with the Max Tracks, we're gonna take the Prinzu Universal Max Tracks mounts, which are gonna be sold separately, and we're gonna get the Max Tracks pins mounted on that first. Now that we're over here on the swing arm, we're gonna line this top right hole up with this slot right here. And then after you get that lined up, you'll see all the other holes that it's gonna line up with. And that's how you install the multi-mount onto the swing arm with full-size Max Tracks and 2 4-gallon roto packs.